I got an eagle eye in my third eye as I get high in the sky and I fly, looking for these snakes outside where they hide. Then I just glide right above them by surprise, snatch them with my claws, watch them fall, then collide. There is not a snake alive can survive in the sight of my bird's eye. Third eye realize in her core mind. Goddamn, there's way too many pricks, many bitches acting like they the shit. Lick on my licorice, suck on my dick. Another fake bitch, who the fuck you tryna trick? I can sense a snitch from a mile by the scent. Third eye open and I don't give a shit. Silly rabbit tricks are for kids. You can't trick me, bitch. Yo, I got an eagle eye in my third eye. Call me Nikolai because I love to end a fight. Just so I am certified to make it through the night. Looking outside of my third eye, clearer than the bird's eye. Cause these snakes you'll never know when they'll bite. And these snakes you'll never know when they strike. Am I right? Show 'em better hide, better run to survive. Running for the knife, but I'm already behind. You with the 9 and I'm pressed on your spine. Give me your motherfucking spirit in your mind. Inside of your core mind, where they hide for their life, but they can't. Why? Because you can't hide from the reaper. You could try, no you cannot hide from the jeepers creepers. They gon' come for your life. I can hear the reaper, someone's rolling with the dice, rolling with their life. Better run for your life if you really wanna live and you don't wanna die.